What if I told you that the first few minutes of your day could set the tone for everything that follows? It's true. By starting your day with the right words and energy, you can unlock a powerful flow of positivity and abundance. In this video, we'll explore a simple yet profound practice that can shift your energy and manifest incredible changes in your life. All you have to do is say these powerful words when you wake up and watch the magic unfold. The first moments of your day are crucial. They set the energy for everything that follows. Have you ever woken up feeling groggy or stressed only to notice that the rest of the day feels off? The energy you create in the morning impacts your entire day. When you start with positive affirmations and focus your thoughts on abundance and gratitude, you attract more of that throughout the day. Starting your day with the right mindset is key to harnessing the law of attraction. By speaking words of positivity right after waking up, you activate a mindset that welcomes success, peace, and opportunities. This is not just about repeating words, but about truly believing in the power of those words to transform your reality. Take a moment each morning to center yourself, take a deep breath, and repeat affirmations that make you feel empowered. The more you commit to this, the easier it becomes to create a life full of positivity. When you speak words of intention early in the morning, you give direction to your day. The law of attraction works by aligning your energy with your desires, and setting an intention right when you wake up sends a clear message to the universe about what you want. Whether it's attracting success, love, health, or happiness, your first words can be the key to making it happen. Instead of rushing through your morning routine or starting with negative thoughts about the day ahead, set your intentions deliberately. Speak words like, "I am open to all the blessings that come my way today," or "I am deserving of all the abundance the universe has to offer." By saying these words with full belief, you are creating an energetic match to your desires, helping the universe to deliver exactly what you need. The power of setting intentions with your words cannot be underestimated. Words carry energy, and that energy influences your actions and experiences. When you speak positively, you raise your vibration and attract similar energies back to you. There's more to this than just wishful thinking. When you speak positive affirmations, you activate the subconscious mind. Your subconscious doesn't differentiate between positive and negative thoughts. It simply absorbs what you feed it. If you start your day by telling yourself, "Today is going to be amazing," or "I am worthy of my desires," you're programming your subconscious mind to believe this truth. The law of attraction is all about energy matching. By repeating affirmations, you're creating a high-frequency energy that matches the abundance and success you desire. The more you do this, the stronger the energy becomes. In fact, morning affirmations have been scientifically proven to help boost mood, reduce stress, and even enhance productivity throughout the day. This practice is not just spiritual, it's a practical tool to rewire your brain and prepare yourself for a day full of positive outcomes. By consistently affirming your worth and your desires, you shift your mindset into a state of abundance and possibility. Affirmations are only one part of the process. To fully manifest your desires, you must match your words with actions. While speaking affirmations is a powerful tool to set your energy, taking inspired action toward your goals is equally important. As you repeat your affirmations in the morning, stay alert to the opportunities and signs the universe is presenting you throughout the day. For example, if your affirmation is about attracting financial abundance, be open to any ideas or opportunities that might come your way. These small actions create a momentum that aligns with your affirmations, turning them from mere words into reality. It's essential to maintain the energy and intention behind your words, but without action, nothing will manifest. Let your affirmations guide your decisions and actions throughout the day, and watch as your reality shifts to match your desires. Like anything, making this practice a consistent part of your routine will help it become more effective. You won't see massive changes overnight, but with dedication and persistence, you will notice the shifts in your mindset and your experiences. It's the power of habit. When you make a practice of saying empowering words each morning, it becomes second nature. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 affirmations that resonate with you and make them a part of your morning routine. Whether you say them out loud in the mirror, write them down, or think them to yourself, consistency is key. Over time, you'll start to notice that the positive energy from your morning affirmations follows you throughout the day, and you begin to attract more of what you desire. The more you affirm your worth and your goals, the more the universe responds. It's a simple practice that can have profound results. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions you can feel. When you start your day with gratitude, you open the door for even more blessings to flow into your life. Along with your affirmations, express gratitude for the blessings you already have. Thank the universe for the opportunities, love, and abundance that are on their way to you. Gratitude raises your vibration, making you a magnet for positivity. It also helps you to focus on what you already have, which shifts your mindset away from lack and scarcity. The more grateful you are, the more reasons the universe gives you to be grateful. Pairing affirmations with gratitude creates a powerful energy that aligns with your desires. It not only helps you attract what you want, but also keeps you in a state of appreciation, making it easier to manifest even more. You might be wondering why affirmations work so well. The reason is simple. You are retraining your brain to focus on the positive aspects of your life. When you say affirmations, you are reprogramming your subconscious to believe that the good things you want are already on their way to you. The law of attraction is based on the concept that like attracts like. By focusing on positivity and abundance, you attract more of those qualities into your life. Your words have power. Use them wisely, and you'll see incredible changes. We all have negative thoughts at times, but it's how we handle them that makes the difference. When you notice negative thoughts creeping in during the first moments of your day, replace them immediately with positive affirmations. Don't allow negative thinking to set the tone for your day. If you wake up feeling stressed or worried, say something like, "I release all stress, and I trust that everything will work out for my highest good." This simple shift in perspective will change your emotional state and set you on the path to manifesting your desires. The more you affirm your worth, the more empowered you feel. By making a habit of speaking positive words to yourself every morning, you strengthen your sense of self-belief and confidence. This shift in energy helps you take actions that align with your goals and attracts opportunities to you. The power of your words can change the direction of your day, your week, and even your life. Don't underestimate the impact of starting each morning with a mindset that aligns with your dreams. Starting your day with the right words and intentions sets you up for success, but the key is to maintain that energy throughout the day. Keep your thoughts focused on what you want to manifest, and whenever you catch yourself slipping into negativity, immediately replace those thoughts with positive affirmations. The more you stay aligned with your desires, the more momentum you create. By staying focused on your intentions, you'll notice that everything around you starts to shift, and your dreams begin to manifest in ways you never imagined. Starting your day with positive affirmations is one of the most powerful practices you can implement to activate the law of attraction. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, you create a vibrational match that the universe can respond to. Consistency is key, and with dedication, you will start to see amazing results in your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to manifest your dreams and attract abundance into your life.